Why, hello. How's it going? Welcome to another episode of Things That You Learn in Math Class with today's very yellow background and today's lesson, area and perimeter. So today we are going to look at a combination of both area and perimeter, so we're going to have to decide what is the best formula to use to find the answers that we're looking for. So, quick review. Remember perimeter? You add all the sides, and area, you multiply two sides. So perimeter you add, area you multiply. Perimeter you add, area you multiply. All right, so let's take a look at our lesson for today. Explore area and perimeter with 4 Cheez-Its. All right, so we're looking at the perimeter and area of Cheez-Its. All right, so they used both formulas. Perimeter, they did 4, since this is a square, all the sides are congruent, right? So they did 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So it has a perimeter of 16 units, and then the area was one side times the other side, 4 times 4. So it also had a area of 16 square units, and you can see the square units because each square unit is a Cheez-It, and there are 16 of them, so that's 16 square units. All right, so now go ahead and figure out what would the perimeter of this be if we added these Cheez-Its, these less appetizing looking Cheez-Its, and what would the area be? So if we did the perimeter would equal 4 times the side length if we're using our star cheat sheet. And then so our perimeter would equal 4 times 5. So our perimeter would equal 20. All right, 20 units. If we're looking for the area is equal to side times side with the square. So area is equal to 5 times 5. Area is equal to 25 square units. So you could also count, and if you counted, there's 25. And if you counted around, there's 20 units. So that's using formulas with Cheez-Its. Congratulations. All right, so study the image. This side is 14 inches. The perimeter is 40 inches. What is the area? So this is a 2-part problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to use the perimeter formula. Perimeter equals 2 side lengths plus 2 side widths to find out what the missing side length is or what the width is, because we don't know that. And then after that, we can use the area equals length times width to find our area. So let's go ahead and try and organize our information. Let's see. Let's actually do this 2 different ways. All right, so perimeter, and then we have length and width. And then over here, let's just do area, length, and width. All right, so we know the perimeter. The perimeter is 40, and it looks like the length is 14. So let's use the formula to figure out the answer. We'll replace P with 40, and then L with 14. And then we'll replace the W with a box. So now we're looking at 40 is equal to 28 plus 2 times something. All right, so now we need to think how much of a difference is there between 40 and 28? So 12. So 2 times something equals 12. So what times 2 equals 12? If we put a 6 in the box, that should make our statement true, because 28 plus 12 does equal 40. So our width equals what's in the box. Our width equals 6. So now that we know our width, we know our length and our width, so we can plug them into this formula. Area equals 14 times 6. All right, and area equals 60 plus 24 is 84, so square inches. And that's a 2-parter where we have started off with a little bit of information. We've used our perimeter formula to find our missing width, and then with that missing width, we were able to find our area. So come back and we'll take a look at a couple more of these problems.